I know all of you guys were watching. You know, she's still single, but yeah.
I'm so excited. Today I get to meet Betty Kyallo, and we are going to tell you what you don't know about in-care.
Oh, what's up, girl?
Hey.
How are you doing? Finally, we get to meet.
Hello,
Welcome home.
Thank you so much.
Action.
Hey.
I finally get to sit down with you.
Yeah, I mean, it's not as special as maybe, maybe you thought it was. Maybe just a little bit.
No, it's special. I mean, it's Betty Kyallo. Like,
Here at home, they actually call me Betty Ray. So I don't even feel like the whole grandness of, the name. Because here at home, when I'm at home, I'm just B. I'm just, Betty Ray. Ivana even doesn't even call me mom. So, yeah, she doesn't. Wow. She kind of like refused. She only calls me mom when she wants like chocolate and stuff.
Really?
Yeah, which, we're fighting about it. But anyway, but feel at home, Karibu. I've welcomed so many people to this house. But I just feel like it's a house for everybody. Because if you're not here physically, you'll see it on YouTube and you'll see it everywhere, Insta stories. But yeah, Karibu.
Asante sana.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Whenever I meet a nutritionist, I'm always like, oh my goodness. Have I been eating right? What did I have for breakfast today? So I feel like I'm in discipline school, but it's okay. It's okay.
No, you don't have to feel that.
All right,
and I'm not going to make you feel that.
Thank you. Yeah, if you do that, you know. And I'll just call the security guys. Wow. Yeah. So tell me. So. Yes, we've been talking on phone for so long. Yeah, finally, we get to sit down.
Yeah, we finally get to sit down. But like, I know that you've been using in-care for quite some time now.
Yeah.
So, I mean, why don't you tell me, like, what has been your experience so far with in-care?
Well, I mean, I used to be so big. I used to be so... All the clothes stopped fitting me. Everything was so... tight and everything. Yeah. So early this year, I just decided to start, working out, at least trying to get my body moving and shaking. Because the only shaking I used to do was on the dance floor, but then the clubs are closed. But so I decided, I really need to get out there. I really need to start, moving my body, working out. Because, when you work out, you feel great about yourself. And I saw some great results. But there's a couple of things that I could not stop, especially when it comes to bloating. So I actually first thought it was the foods that I was eating at home, or how you go to a restaurant, you're not sure if the food that they're serving you is actually fresh. So I used to have a lot of bloating, like you're not even full, but you're telling your friends you're hungry. They're like, B, but angalia manze tumbo, so something different.
I know, right?
Yeah, but then I used to be so bloated many times. But then when I started using in-care, at first, you see a product and you're like, okay, how is this going to go? You're not really sure about something. It's something new and everything. But I got to try it. I brought some few boxes at home, given a sample to just try it out.
Okay.
And so I brought it home. Everybody was like, it's so sweet. And I'm like, okay, wait, guys, you need to tell me the results. What are you feeling? So we started using it with my sisters. And I mean that bloating feeling, it just started to go slowly. So we used it over a couple of weeks and stuff. And I remember the first day we used it. I'm telling you, the next time I went to the toilet, I can't even go into detail. We walk around this town thinking we are slaying, like, oh my gosh, I'm looking good, until you use in-care and you go to the toilet the first day, or even for a couple of days, and then you start seeing what is coming out in there, and you're like, okay, maybe I'm not as hot as I think.
Maybe the inside part is not as hot as
the inside part is not slaying. There is no way the inside part is slaying, and I think that's even why they call it in-care, because it takes care of from the inside. So I mean, we saw some great changes, and even my sister Gloria, actually for her, she started losing a bit of weight, so I told her to kind of like slow down. Me, I was like, on the other hand, I'm just like, give
it to me.
Give all of that. I mean, it's actually quite sweet. So it's been a really nice experience, using in-care. And many people don't also know that even for the skin. I mean, look at my skin. Because right now I don't even have any makeup on. Okay.
Alright.
All right.
And you're glowing,
Okay.
just like
and
that.
I'm glowing. So the good thing also like about Ink is that it has that beauty formula. So
Yes.
that also it evens out your skin. You glow. You look nice and fresh. Me, I can even leave this house like right now like this.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna slay. The Budescos will be there kneeling, at their feet, because they'll be like, okay, yeah, she looks good.
Yeah, she looks good. And now, not just from the outside, but
from the inside.
Yeah.
I mean, when you feel good about yourself, not from the makeup, not from the clothes, when you feel nice and you feel light and you feel like you can wear anything you want, I think it's a good feeling. It's a really good feeling. It actually even adds the confidence. You feel like you can take on the world.
Yeah, actually, there's one lady I was introducing in here too. I think it was like a week ago, and she was like, "Oh, I've seen this with Betty."
Oh, you guys are watching. I see you. That's so nice. So did she say that she had used the product, or what happened?
No. I was introduced. Actually, she bought it just because she saw it.
Oh, really?
So she was like, Betty used to have like a big
It
tummy,
used to be
now
big. Let me show you. Like it really used to be big. You see, so it was like. From here to like, oh, so even sometimes guys are like, hey, B, manze, hey, are you pregnant? And we do.
Yeah.
Is there something cooking? Is there a bun in the oven?
Yeah.
And it's because I used to be so bloated, but now as you can see, I really like improved now, and I'm feeling snatched.
Looking good, I know, right?
I know all of you guys who are watching. She's still single, but yeah. And she's ready to mingle, but then I really feel good about myself.
Oh,
yeah.
That's really amazing. So now that you've been using the product, I'm sure like your friends get to ask you a lot of questions concerning in care and everything. Yeah. So what are the kind of questions?
So I'm even happy that you can answer them, because they've been asking me a lot of questions. And one of the things is that, is it chemicals? What do you mean by a fruit enzyme mix? Because that is what in care is.
Yeah.
So what, does it have, laxatives? What happens, when what actually is in that bottle of sweetness? Because that thing is really, really sweet.
Yeah.
You feel like you're eating like an apple plus a mango plus,
berries,
some cherries, some honey in there. It's really nice.
Yeah. Okay, so just to give you a little information on that. So in care, fruit enzyme mix. Basically, people know that enzyme is a catalyst that actually helps with breaking down food inside the body. So enzymes are very important.
You make it sound so simple than my biology teacher.
No, it shouldn't sound so hard. Like you're not in a biology class or something. You just give information, something like that. Yeah. So it's these are substances inside our body that helps to break down food one way or another, and there are different kinds of enzymes. So there are fat breaking enzymes, there are protein breaking enzymes. There are all these kinds of enzymes. So what actually in care entails, it's made up of fruits concentrates with their enzymes, and these fruits have been selected in a way that if it's skin, then those enzymes are going to help you with the skins. If it's fat, those enzymes are going to help you with fat. Like one of the main ingredients of in care is the acai berry fruit.
Acai what?
Yeah, acai berry.
Acai what?
Berry.
Berry.
Yes.
Oh, it's because you have and you have such a beautiful gap.
Thank you.
Not that way. I'm like, okay, berry.
Yeah.
It's called acai berry.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna Google that.
Yeah. It's actually famously known worldwide for helping with weight loss issues, and that's basically because it contains the fat breaking enzymes in it. Yeah. Right. So that's why we call in care fruit enzymes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then does it have chemicals? You mentioned something like that. No, it's purely natural, no chemicals whatsoever, and no laxatives whatsoever. Some people will actually come and tell you, that those natural occurring laxatives, the artificial laxatives, and they are natural occurring laxatives. So people will be like, how sure are you that your ingredients don't contain natural occurring laxatives? They're fruits, and fruits don't contain any kind of laxatives whatsoever.
Got it. That is so interesting. The other question I've seen is that about the skin. So you're saying that some part of that some of the enzymes in there actually help with your skin. Yeah. So my skin looks really nice. It's really improved. So what is it about in care, and what exactly does it do to your skin as a beauty formula?
Okay, so I'll still go back to the ingredients. It has pomegranate fruit.
That's what it is.
Yeah, the pomegranate. Yeah. Like pomegranate is known for skincare. Like there's pomegranate soaps, there's pomegranate juice, and it's basically one of the best.
And they
so
the juice that is really expensive.
Yeah,
just get in care, guys. Pomegranate is like pomegranate. I can't even pronounce it properly.
Yeah.
Pomegranate. Cranberry, all those are just like, so just get in care.
Yeah,
it's gonna be in there somewhere.
Like we've just ensured that we've made it easy for you, because getting the acai berry in itself is way expensive. Getting the pomegranate fruit, it's just too expensive. So we want to help people live a healthy lifestyle, but at a very affordable price or cost and all that. That's why we came up with Incare. So we bring you all these good things and put them in one thing, and
one bottle of awesomeness.
Exactly.
And the other thing is that people normally ask, how many should you take? How many times a week? Is it once a day? Because they come 8 in a box. Okay, me when I got it first, I was just drinking that day. I was just drinking it, because I really wanted to fit in some dressing, you're going on a date, whatnot. But how many should you drink in a day, a week?
Yeah. Okay, so when it comes to the consumption of Incare, I think the first question one person really has to ask themselves is, why am I drinking Incare for? Because you see, there's someone who just wants to have Incare and for the skin, they don't want to do anything to do with their weight. Then there's that person who wants to take it for their immune boosting. Then there's that person who wants to take it for their glowing skin. So it depends with why do you want Incare. But basically, I'll say because I know a lot of people purchasing Incare for weight loss, for the flat tummy and all that. So we recommend that a person takes at least 1 bottle a day. When they want to see that results, with Incare, especially for the first 28 days. It's very crucial, because those are your first days of taking Incare, and you want to see results, and you want to make sure that this product works. So we recommend 1 bottle a day for the 28 days. So after the 28 days, you should have seen
some changes.
Some changes. Then from there on, somebody could say, okay, I want to continue with this, and most of them will say, I want to continue with this.
It becomes a part of your lifestyle.
Because so it's not just your weight that is getting better, but your skin. Because whether you like it or not, you're gonna have a good skin.
You're gonna be glowing
with Incare. So you're gonna have a good skin with Incare, and that's what everybody wants.
We all want to look nice.
We
don't want to shock everybody when we go out there.
The good thing is that after you've taken for those days, I got 100% guarantee that you're gonna continue.
You're gonna see, and you're gonna see the results.
But then the concerns come with somebody who say, okay, I'm quite scared that if I take Incare on a daily basis, I don't want to lose my weight, but I really want to get this thing. So what do I go about it? So that's we would advise this person to take Incare, let's say 3 to 4 times a week. So they don't necessarily need to take Incare on a daily basis.
Every day.
So they ensure that their weight it's okay, and they're getting that glowing skin that they're looking out for.
All right. One of my final questions. Some of this detox, what do you call them? Like detox concoctions that you see online. Mix this and mix this. Don't eat it. Don't drink it in the morning. You can only drink it at night. And it makes it so complicated to detox your body. And one of the things that I like about Incare is that it doesn't have those complications about you have to take it at this time of the day. The sun has to be up high
at this position.
As in this position, you have to be. I don't know. So that's also one of the things that I like about it. That you don't have to really complicate your lifestyle, isn't it?
No. It's a very convenient program. A product. As you can see, just the site itself, you can carry it with you. Just put it inside your bag, and you're good to go. So Incare is a very convenient. You don't have to I only have to drink it in the morning. I only have to drink it in the afternoon, or strictly drink it in the evening. No. You can drink it anytime during the day. However, we do have our recommended time that is best to drink Incare. Let's say for somebody who wants to lose weight or something like that, we recommend that this person takes Incare early in the morning, before or after breakfast. Does it mean that if I miss taking it in the morning, I can't take it in the afternoon? No, you can still take it in the afternoon. That's how convenient Incare is. And like you mentioned something about concoction and all that. It's so simple that you just need to take it as it is.
As it is.
You don't need to
just
mix
open
it
that bottle.
with-
Because do you have some?
Yeah, yes.
See
yes,
what
yes, I do.
I haven't
Let's show these
taken.
guys. Yeah, let's show these
Let me
guys,
know.
what we do with in care.
Yeah, and remember guys, if you want to purchase in care, you can go on my Instagram bio, and you can also look at the video. We have the caption there. You'll see the link, and you'll be able to buy your in care. All right, pass it up. There you go. And it comes with the packaging is so cute.
It just attracts you. Even
I
went
want
it
my
without
goodness.
knowing what is inside, right?
It's not like those things, Manze. They are green. What are those green things people carry around?
Yeah.
It's really green what, green this, green that. Guys, I mean, let's be classy. Bougie, what's happening? What's happening? All right, so let me just do this. Let's open this. And then look at that. Just look at how it's been packaged. Guys, don't go drinking, putting things in your body that look like what. There's something looks like it has been brewed somewhere, Uko downtown. Get yourself something that looks like this. I mean, look at the packaging, amazing. And you just have all these bottles. So each compartment has 2 bottles, so you have 8. So if you take 1 bottle per day, it'll take you for 8 days. All right. So purchase this, and you're good to go. So, do we have one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Although you look like you haven't drunk one. And then because of the sugar, the fruit sugar, it also gives you energy. You feel good. You feel like you're upbeat and everything.
No, you've just mentioned about something about fruit sugar.
Yeah.
And I think that strikes an alarm to people who are diabetic. Yeah, because people who are diabetic will be like, okay, Betty has just said sugar, so does this mean I can't take this product or something?
Yeah.
Actually, if you see from the product, it actually says that it's very conducive for diabetic people.
It says that.
Yeah, and the reason is because it doesn't have any added artificial sugar whatsoever. It only contains xylitol, which is a natural sweetener and very conducive for people who are diabetic.
So even people who are diabetic can still take this.
Yes.
Pregnant women, that's another question I've been getting.
Yeah.
Can pregnant women take this?
Pregnant women can take it. Breastfeeding moms can take it. Yeah. Even people who have got arthritis, they can take this product.
I understand this one, Gloria had taken it.
Yeah.
So let's just take some. Let me give you the new ones.
Okay.
It didn't have nothing inside, man. Here, the guys in this house take it like it's like water.
It's like juice,
It's
right?
like juice. Like I'm hungry.
No,
Take it.
no.
Yeah.
But that's the good thing about Incare.
Yeah.
It's a lifestyle product. It's not a medicine that's gonna restrict you one way or
It's so
another.
nice, guys. Smells so good. Cheers.
Cheers to Incare.
Cheers to Incare.
To getting healthier, right?
To getting healthier,
Yeah.
beautiful skin.
I know, right?
That flat tummy, not bloating, slaying in your dress. Yeah.
Good immune system.
Good immune system. That's very important.
Yeah.
This is the best shot I've ever had.
Wow. One
That was
question
amazing.
I think that we have encountered at our lectures is that people ask you I drink this, all of it, all at once.
It's so nice, guys.
It's not a
You
medicine.
Drink it.
Yeah, it's not a medicine.
What
So
are we-
more
when they
nutrition
start-
supplements. I like that.
It's so sweet. When you start drinking it, I'm telling you, you're gonna finish it. But yeah, this is so amazing. So, and if anybody has any other question, how can they get to? Yeah, they can actually just come to your page, Incare page on Instagram.
Yeah, we do have an Instagram page, Incare. We do have our website at www.incareworld.com. Yeah, so they can just ask us, and we do have our own offices actually at Daniel Tower. So if
All right.
they if
I'll
they
bring
have
them.
any-
Those who have questions, just drop a comment. I'll take you guys.
Yeah.
As long as you purchased it.
Condition for you bringing them, purchase one box.
Purchase one box at least so that we can start with that box.
Yeah.
All right, that was great information.
Thank you
honestly,
so much for having me.
for me and my family, we're still gonna use Incare. Let me ask the other questions for kids. Is it good for kids or it is just for adults only.
No, actually, I would say Inca should be like the first detox in the market. That's very conducive for kids. Kids who are 4 years and above.
So Ivana can drink this.
I know. No, just give this to Ivana. You won't find the entire box.
I know.
No, but we
you know what I'll be doing? I'll be putting it in my handbag in the evening when she expects me to come with something from work.
Yeah.
Inca.
But you know, also we advise that when kids are taking it, that it's being taken under the supervision of their parents. Because you know, like you said, the taste is sweet. You give a kid this,
they'll be looking for
and on the entire day they're gonna just be drinking Inca.
I know, and we don't want that.
Yeah, and we don't want that. Exactly.
That's true.
Yes, so
thank you so much, Esther. That was
so
amazing.
much for having me.
And please, if my birthday is coming up, so you can send me a few boxes for me to share also with some of my fans. Actually, I'll give one box to. Actually, I'll give 2 boxes.
Ooh.
Yeah, let's give 2 boxes to people who are watching right now. Just drop a comment and tell me why you need it. All right, tell me why you need it. I think it's very let's help each other also. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Esther. That was amazing.
No, thanks so much for having me too.
Really appreciate it.
So much for
and guys, if you have any questions that you heard, the InCare page, it's called InCare World. On Instagram, you can also just have that. Want to put a caption, down there where you can buy the product. You can also get it at Flair by Betty. Actually, if you get it from Flair, it's actually cheaper. If you want us to deliver, we can deliver anywhere in the country. All right, whether in Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Naivasha. Where else? Where do you know? Eldoret. Kitale. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching BK lately. Because you started the show, finish it.
Oh, wow. That caught me off guard.
Don't worry, you can do it.
Yeah, so guys, you don't have to worry anything about Inca. I know people are more concerned, like it's a new product in the market, how sure it's safe, what kind of that. So I think the fact that Betty herself is using, that should give you a guarantee that Inca is a safe product. Get yourself a box of Inca and live that healthy lifestyle.
I love that.